Hello? Well, wow, this is big. Give me a second. Okay, so there's a little bit more room now. Now, what this is a computer that belongs to a friend of mine, and he asked me if I could have a look at it. It has been sitting for a long time. It's about, he said, about a 20-year-old computer, and it's been sitting for a good amount of those years. Um, Said I would take a look at it, try and get it back to life. And he said he plugged it into power. Nothing happened. So let's find out, see if we can help my friend. And I wanted to, this is a little bit extra special and funny for me because I know he's going to watch this video. I asked him if it was okay if I made a video on this, and he said yes. So let's dig into it and see what we can find out. What I want to do, I just want to try and power it on. Actually, I'll use my dim bulb tester because on the dim bulb tester, I do have, of course, the power meter. You don't usually use a dim bulb tester on a computer, but let's just turn it on. Can you see the data? Yes, 240 volts. I'll turn the switch on the computer. Inrush, 20 milliamps. Seems normal. Press the power button. Ah, okay. So there was life. I saw the fan start spinning. Just plug it in to normal power. Even plug in my VGA to HDMI adapter. I have a feeling it might be. So you can see the fan spin should there, and I'll press the switch, and what is it that Tony 359259 says? 3, 2, 1. Sounds normal. Okay, let me turn on the capture card. Okay, so there seems to be something because it's asking for capture. Capture. And yeah, we have post. Start Windows normally. This should be XP, I think he said. And it is. Now, the screen is blurred, of course, because I don't want any potential information belonging to my friend to be visible on screen, but works just fine. just had a quick look around the computer just to see and make sure everything, because I don't want to have to blur out the entire screen, so I'll just blur out this section now again, of course. But it's actually working just fine. It's a Windows XP Home Service Pack 1. Yeah, so I will of course at least update to Windows XP. I will of course at least upgrade to, this is Windows XP Home. He said he thought it was Windows XP Professional. It is Home. The Service Pack 1, so I will at least make sure it's Service Pack 3. And I'll ask him if he wants Service Pack or Windows XP Professional. Can install that for him. So yeah, 256 gigabytes of 256 megabytes of RAM, not gigabytes, megabytes of RAM, 2.6 Celeron, and it has a Sound Blaster card, onboard VGA, onboard networking. It has a modem, PCI, and just so happens that I found a few of my old graphics cards laying around about a few weeks ago, and so I do have one or two AGP cards, and I'll ask him if he wants a new card. So I thought this was going to be a bit of a repair. I'll just have to, give it a really thorough cleaning. It's been sitting for a long time. I'll make sure everything is up to snuff. Everything looks fine just now. Do a quick test on it, and you'll get the data both on here and on an external drive as requested. So it's one disk, 75 gigabytes. That is gigabytes. So IDE has a floppy, CD burner, and DVD reader. And yeah. So I will not use your name, but to my friend, thank you for trusting me with your computer. And as you can see, well, for you the image is blurry because I don't want your information out there. But when you get it back, you'll have a fully working retro computer. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.